Hello students, welcome to RAO'S math class. Today we will solve this question. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10 and verify the relation between the coefficients of the polynomial and the zeros of the polynomial. Now we'll see how to solve this question. Solution. See, the given polynomial is p of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. This is the polynomial given. So we have to find the zeros. How to find the zeros of the polynomial? By factorization method you can do it. So x square plus 7x plus 10. How to make the factorization? If it is, here the coefficients are, this is the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial. This is so a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 10. So how to get the zeros of the polynomial means, see the thing how I am doing here. Factors. How to get the factors for this one? So by factorization method. So a into c is equal to how much? 1 into 10. So AC is equal to 10. So the factors must be, if you take two values P and Q or something like that, if it is a general form equation, here I am getting the factorization. Ax square plus bx plus c. Here A into C, to take it P and Q are the factors means if you want to, if multiply P into Q, you must get A into C. If you add P plus Q is equal to what you have to get it is B. Then you will tell P and Q are the factors. Okay na? Same way, if you take two numbers, multiply you should get 10 and if you add you should get 7. This is the way you get the factors. Means 10 means what are the factors? Factors for 10, 1 into 10 and 2 into 5. So we add two numbers, you have to get multiplication, you get 2 into 5 is equal to 10 you are getting, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 you are getting. So you understand my point. 2 into 5 is equal to 10, clear, A into C, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So this is also cleared. So how to write this one? X square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. So in these two, what are the common? X into x we can write plus 2 into x plus 5 into x plus 5 into 2, you can write that like this. In these two, what you are having common? X is a common. So if you take it x as a common, you are having x plus in these two. X is, if you take x is a common in these two, so x means what is available here? X is available plus 2x, x is common, so 2 is available. In these two, if you see, 5 is common. So plus 5 is, if you take it common, so balance is x plus 2. So the factors will be x plus 2 into x plus 5. You take it x plus 2 as a common, so x plus 2 into x plus 5. This is the way you get the factorization. Clear? So the zeros are x plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2. X plus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 5. So minus 2 and minus 5 are zeros of polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. This is the zeros. This is the way of getting the zeros. Okay na? Pause the video to note it down. Next, got the zeros. So find zeros. You got the zeros here. Verify the relation between the coefficients of the polynomial and zeros of the polynomial. So here, what is the relationship between the relation between coefficients of the polynomial and the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Okay, na? Relation between the coefficients of polynomial and the zeros of the polynomial. What is that one? Sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros is equal to constant by coefficient of x square. So this is the sum of zeros and product of the zeros. You got the zeros as minus 2 and minus 5, and this also you can write it as, if it is a general equation, ax square plus bx plus c, sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, means you can write it as minus b by a, and product of zeros is equal to constant by coefficient of x square, means c by a. Okay na? If it is ax square plus bx plus c is the polynomial, means you can write it down as sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square is equal to minus b by a. So zeros, so we got zeros as sum of zeros is equal to, you got zeros as minus 2 and minus 5. So minus 2 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 7. and minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square is equal to minus coefficient of x is 7 by coefficient of x square is 1. So minus 7. So these two are equal. So product of zeros is equal to minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus into minus is plus, 2 into 5 is 10. So plus 10. constant by coefficient of x square is equal to, how much? Constant is plus 10 by coefficient of x square is 1, that is equal to 10. So these two are equal. So this is the way you get the relation between the coefficients of the polynomial and the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, I will again explain you one more time. P of x is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10. By factorization you should get the zeros of the polynomial. So x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10. So in these two, x if you take it common, you get as x plus 2 plus 5 is taken as common, x plus 2. So in both these, you take x plus 2 as common, you get as x plus 5. So x plus 2 into x plus 5. So zeros of the polynomial are x plus 2 is equal to 0, means x is equal to minus 2, and x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5. So minus 2 and minus 5 are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 7x plus 10. So where again is asking the verify the relationship between the coefficient polynomial and the zero such polynomial. How to do the verification? Relation between the coefficient polynomial and zeros polynomial ax square plus bx plus c means what we write here? Sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square is equal to minus b by a. Product of zeros is equal to constant by coefficient of x square is equal to c by a. So you see here sum of the zeros is equal to minus 2 plus of minus 5 is equal to minus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 7. So minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square is equal to minus coefficient of x means 7. So 7 by coefficient of x square is 1. So 1. So minus 7. So these two are equal. So product of zeros is equal to minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to minus into minus is plus 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So constant by coefficient of x square is equal to constant is plus 10 by coefficient of x square is 1. So plus 10 by 1 is equal to 10. So this is the way you have to get the solution for this question. Okay na? I hope you understand this question. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel RAO'S Maths Class. Thank you.